Amy, my crystal broke. What does it mean?
Crystals do break quite easy, some easier than others. For instance, on the Mohs hardness scale, quartz is very high on the scale. You could drop it, it probably won't break. Selenite, on the other hand, is so low on the hardness scale, it's very easy to break it.
Oh, so it doesn't really have a spiritual meaning?
If your stone breaks by accident, that doesn't necessarily mean anything, but if your stone has absorbed all of your energies and it cracks, it's releasing the stress that you may have put into the stone, and it's telling you it's time. Past the time that you should have cleansed your crystals. It's very important, especially with the black tourmaline, the smoky quartz, the hematite, the black obsidian. Those all absorb those negative energies. It's very important to cleanse them often.
Oh, thank you, Amy. I'd better get to cleansing right now.
And don't forget, follow Crescent Cast USA for more crystal tips and cleansing videos.